You will make this cake every day. Light, fluffy, and absolutely delicious. Start by preheating the oven to 170 degrees centigrade around 15 minutes before you start baking. Now to a bowl with unsalted butter, add coconut oil. The combination of butter and coconut oil adds a lovely taste to this cake. Sugar and mix together until well combined for around 3 to 5 minutes. The list of ingredients, including measurements, is in the description bar below. After that, add vanilla extract, evaporated milk, and mix together until well combined. Now add the eggs one at a time and also mix together. Thank you to all my subscribers, and if you're new here, please join the family. We share lots of yummy recipes made with love. Once all the wet ingredients have been finely combined, add the dry ingredients, baking powder, and all-purpose flour. Sieve to remove any impurities. And again, mix together until well combined. Once the batter is ready, transfer into a baking tray and bake in a preheated oven at 170 degrees centigrade for around 35 to 40 minutes or until an inserted toothpick in the middle comes out dry. Once the cake is ready, remove from the heat and allow to rest for 10 minutes before you remove from the baking pan and enjoy. Thank you so much for watching the video if you've watched until this point. And until next time, remain blessed.